This is Avinash here. Today I am going to be talking about an open source organization. It is known as Liquid Galaxy Project, and I got introduced to this through Google Coding. Let's see what it is. Imagine you have multiple screens and you are only able to play different softwares in separate screens, and the view is not that good. And imagine if you have the choice to make all the three separate screens into one interface. Wouldn't that be amazing? That is what Liquid Galaxy is. The concept of integrating all the different PCs or any screens into one, so that you can have an enlarged view of anything you're watching, and it is also perfectly clear. To give you an idea about where Liquid Galaxy is going to be used, let me tell you, this is already being used globally everywhere, and it is used in the field of education, training, medicine, gaming, promotions, etc. And this is a concept that can be used to present anything and everything in a really extravagant way. Liquid Galaxy began its implementation with Google Earth. Google Earth is again a software by Google, and it is the most basic level of Liquid Galaxy setup that you can do, and if you understand that, then you might probably understand the others too. So it's a basic version, and that's how every Liquid Galaxy developer begins to get into this concept. That's how I got into this concept of Liquid Galaxy, and I myself have set up a 2PC, 3PC and a 5PC Liquid Galaxy installation. So you might be wondering what exactly, how this concept of Liquid Galaxy works. It's very simple. Actually, you just need to wirelessly connect all the screens, and there will be one screen that is in the middle, which will act as the master screen, which is going to send information to the other screens. The master PC is going to send information to the other slave PCs, and the slave PC will act accordingly. Whatever information the master PC is giving it to them, that will be displayed on the slave PCs. So this is how a proper Liquid Galaxy system works. And if you look at Google Earth, for example, I'm going to have Google Earth on the three laptops in this case when you're going to set up a 3PC Liquid Galaxy, and the center PC will act as a master PC, and we need to set the yaw limits on the left and the right of the master PCs. So that should be set in the software that is run on the slave PCs, and it is going to work perfectly for us. So what it is exactly going to do is whatever is to the left of the master PC is going to be cast on the PC which is placed on the left. The same way on the right, whatever is to be seen in the right of the master PC's view is going to be casted on the screen that is to the right of the PC. Let us again go back to the Liquid Galaxy that controls Google Earth. So to control Google Earth, there are two ways. One is generally, controlling it through the master PC, and the other way is to have a variation. You can actually control it through an Android application. You can also control it through your voice. That is just like how Google Assistant works. You just need to specify where you want to navigate, and it is going to navigate. So these two variants pose out to be extremely useful for controlling Liquid Galaxy. So let me give you an idea on how the application works. It is known as Liquid Galaxy for Education app, and it acts as a navigator tool for Liquid Galaxy. Once you control the Android application with Liquid Galaxy, you just need to navigate it using your hands. You'll have an Android tablet in front of you, and to zoom in and zoom out, you just need to control it through the tablet screen. That's it. And for Liquid Galaxy voice control, you just have to speak out whichever place you need to navigate to. Suppose I want to go to Berlin. I'll just say Berlin, and it is immediately going to navigate to Berlin. That's how it works. And now you're going to ask me again, how exactly is this going to help us? What is it going to do which is special than running an application in one PC? Imagine you're using it on one PC, your view is just limited to one PC, and if you want to expand the view, you still have an option for that in the software, but since the screen is small, the resolution, there might be a problem with the resolution. But in this, since the screens are divided, whatever is seen in that screen is of the perfect resolution, even if you zoom it in. So the quality of whatever you view is going to be spectacular. Apart from that, you have a panoramic experience which you can't have even if you have a really big screen. If you have a really big screen, it's obviously going to be flat, and yeah, a few screens are curved, but if you use multiple screens which are arranged in a semicircle way, and if you stand in the middle, you're going to have the best experience. As I told you, I myself have set 3PC and 5PC Liquid Galaxy, which is going to control Google Earth. So I'm going to show you how that works. I've set that using 5 laptops. It works pretty cool also. You just need to have a stable internet connection, which is going to be common for all the 5 laptops or 3 laptops. And if you have Google Earth on all the PCs, and if you do the view synchronization properly, then that's it. You're going to get an amazing panoramic experience, even though it is not going to be perfectly circular or semicircular. You're still going to get a big screen which is going to show you in large view. It was a lot of fun doing this Liquid Galaxy. I gained a lot of knowledge doing this. So whoever's watching this right now, request you all to just try this concept out once, because it's a lot of happiness when you do it by yourself. I first did the 2PC installation, and getting the 2PC installation done was an extreme happiness for me. And once I did that, I immediately wanted to try out the 3PC Liquid Galaxy installation, and then the 5PC. Now I'm here, and it gets better as you move on and on and on. You have the curiosity that's building inside you. So I don't wish to stop with this even myself. I would like to contribute more to the Liquid Galaxy community. I would like to learn more to this. I'm looking forward to working towards it more. So even if you have any doubts or queries regarding Liquid Galaxy, you can as well visit the www.liquidgalaxy.eu page, which is the official page of Liquid Galaxy, or you can also look at the many tutorials that are out on YouTube or on the website. Thank you so much.